Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up temporary voice channels, also known as PVCs, in your Discord server using the ZarCo bot. So, let's get started. First, head over to the video description or comments section and invite ZarCo to your server. Choose your server and click Authorize. Once ZarCo is added, go to your Discord server and type the command /setup_PVC. Then, click the Start Setup button. Before proceeding, make sure ZarCo has the necessary permissions to function properly in your server. ZarCo setup is complete. To use ZarCo, head over to the Interface channel. Join the Generator VC to create your personal voice channel. Once created, you can manage your VC using the available control buttons. That's all. If this helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.